All right, welcome back. Today we got a unit that turned over, so we're going to go in and see what kind of condition we got here in this place. We see on the exterior here we still got some cleaning materials over here and some junk, so this doesn't foretell of anything good going on, but let's check it out. Oh my, we've got a lot of items in here, a lot of toys and so forth, and yeah, this is not cleaned out, of course, as you can see. Floors are really dirty. The whole place is just very dirty. We've got some mattresses left behind. Just not in really good shape here at all. Now this was a spick and span place when these folks moved in. So there's just not going to be able to get their deposit back for this type of condition. You can see here on the floor we have some broken tile here. That wasn't the case before. We may move into some new flooring here. We'll have to see as we get involved, but this is not looking very good in here. We've got some mold up in the kitchen, in the bathroom here, and the tub area obviously not clean. So yeah, this is it's going to take some work in here. Going to have some fun in this place for sure. We really dolled this thing up. Yeah, we got a full refrigerator full of items. Going to need to get involved there. Just a ton of things to clean up. Yeah, they're just not. It's not very clean in there. Coming to this bedroom, this carpet is 100,000% shot. And we got another mattress in here. We got some things left over. Yeah, we move into the laundry room, and of course wow, it's very dark in here. Let's get a light on the subject. Oh, we got some mood lighting going on in here. Yeah, just a ton of stuff. Not 100% cleaned out. Very dirty. Very worn. So we have a lot of work to do in here. We don't go around with a white glove, when people move out. We're pretty flexible on that kind of thing. We're just, pretty much give you your deposit back if you kind of leave it as you found it, but this is not the case here. This place is a mess. Going to take a lot of work to get this rent ready, but we're about to get started. So if you're looking for something in the Milk District, give us about a month and we'll have this thing looking really nice. And this is a super duper place, and we look forward to getting it cleaned up and having a new tenant show up. So we'll talk to you on the next video. Leave us a comment if you've seen anything like this before. I'm sure you may have seen worse or obviously better, but this is not a good one. Talk to you next time.